This is a very short and exciting video on how to end and introduce a new fishing line, so please stick and stay. So let's say you are beading and then your fishing line becomes very short at this particular point. This is what you are going to do. You're going to pick this fishing line facing you, then you put 2 beads on it, then you're going to make a knot. You see, it is very simple. You're going to make a knot like this, and this, you are making 3 knots. You are making 3 knots. You are making 3 knots. So this is the second one. Please make sure you pull it very tight because you are ending a fishing line, so please pull it very tight, okay? Yes, so this is what we have now. You're going to pick this fishing line, insert it in this bead, and then you're going to pull. Then you put it in this very bead again. Then you put it in this very bead again. Please, my beginner, you can do it, okay? It is very easy. So you are going to make a cut here. Yes, and then you come here, you insert this fishing line into this bead, but please watch carefully. You are not going to pull, just leave it like that, and go ahead and bring your new fishing line. You are going to cut your new fishing line, then you're going to insert it into this bead, okay? This bead, that fishing line that we've left there, will go back to it, but please watch here carefully. When you insert, make sure that both ends of the fishing line are equal. This is how you check. And then you're going to pick this fishing line, the right one, then insert it in this bead. You are going to insert it in this bead. So after inserting it in this bead, now you can leave this long fishing line and then put it aside. Then you are going to pick the short one, this one. Then you are going to insert it into this bead, this very bead. You get it? Then you are going to pull. Now you are going to pull. Yes, you are going to pull. We didn't pull because if we had pulled, it was going to block the long fishing line from entering that bead. You get it? That's what I was trying to explain. So this is how you do it, and then you go through this one. We are going through other beads because we want to secure our knots that we have made. We have to secure it. So here we are going to make a cut. Yes, and we are done. So right now we've ended our fishing line and we've introduced a new fishing line. So we are going to continue beading. So this is what you do. You are going to pick the fishing line that is closer to you or that is facing you. Then you put 2 beads on it and continue making your beaded bag, okay? So yes, and I'm going to show you another point that your fishing line can become short and what you can do there, okay? So let's get to the second one. So let's say you are somewhere here at the side, and then your fishing line becomes short. This is what you are going to do. You are going to pick 2 beads, put it on the fishing line that is up like this, and then you are going to pick the down fishing line, and then you are going to make a knot. So remember that whenever you are making a knot, you are making 3 knots, okay? 3 knots. So this is the second one, and then the third knot. Please pull it very tight, okay, so that your work will be very firm and nice. You pick this fishing line, pass it through this like we did in the first one. We are going to be passing it through some beads so that we are going to secure our knots, okay? So this is the same thing we are doing here. It is the same thing we are doing here. So you are going to make your cuts, and this is the very last part I'm showing you. That's let's say you have to cross, you see this part that you have to cross with just one bead, and then your fishing line is short. You are going to make a knot like this. You are going to make a knot here, and remember you are making 3 knots. Okay, you are making 3 knots. So I believe you've been able to do it. And mind you, after making the knots, please pass it through some beads. Please pass it through some beads. If your fishing line is long enough, you can go through at least 5 beads. At least 5 beads. Yes, so this is what we have. And if you want to see the tutorial of this bag, the link is in the description. Okay, so please check it out, and you can make this beautiful bag for yourself or for your customers. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I know you've been able to do it, and so this is how we are introducing our new fishing line, and we continue working. So yes, thank you so much for watching once again. Yes, I know you've been able to do it. And please, if you want to see more of such short and precise videos, please and please again subscribe. Okay, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified. See you in our next exciting video. Yeah.